Today on the Clean Power Hour, we're at Solar Farm Summit Chicago 2025. I'm with Tia Haynes from Sunzaun, the vertical bifacial racking company. It's a very innovative European-style product that is now coming to America. Tia, welcome to the show.
Hi, lovely to be here.
As my listeners know, I'm a geek for racking. Tell us about vertical bifacial racking and why it's an important innovation.
So vertical bifacial racking is really important because it can go anywhere. It's one of the most adaptable racking systems out there. We can choose what height we want it at. We can choose what angle we want it at. It's not picky about whether it's east-west or north-south. We can put it in a field of corn. We can put it in with cattle. We can put it in a residential setting. We can put it in a business setting. It can go wherever you need it.
It is very flexible. The thing that I'm so excited about with products like vertical racking from Sunzaun is that it's easing our path to dual use solar for farmers and for solar developers, right? Dual use meaning you can still crop on the solar farm. Yeah. It's no longer an either or, right? It's a both and. You can do solar and farming.
Exactly, yeah. So this week, actually, while we're here at the conference, there in Colorado, we have a system. They are harvesting the sweet corn that's grown right next to it this week.
Oh, at Jack's Solar Garden?
Not Jack's,
different project.
University of Colorado.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet corn and solar. I love
it.
Yeah. I heard that the sweet corn is a little shorter than commercial corn, corn for feed or whatever.
Yeah, silage corn.
And I'm like, cool, less shading, right? You don't want too much shading on your vertical solar. But what else should our listeners know, I guess, in the last minute here, what they should know about vertical bifacial and why they might consider it on their community solar or behind the meter commercial industrial farm or even residential project?
So I think the most important thing to know is it may not fit everyone, but it's going to fit a lot of people. It's not going to be the top runner-up in production, but what it's going to do is it's going to supplement what you already have.
Yes. It's, two streams of income coming off that farm field. There's crop income for the farmer, just as they were doing before, and then there's photons to electricity, which is a cash crop, and we need a lot more electricity.
Yes.
And we have a lot of farmland. So there's no reason not to combine the two.
Yeah, and this is a great way to help farmers with their income, diversifying their income without harming what they're already doing. We're not asking farmers or other people to stop and trade your good farmland in for solar. It's something that's in addition. It's not going to stop or change what you're already doing, but it's going to add to it.
Well, thank you, Tia Haynes. How can our listeners find you?
So I am available through sunzaun.com. But I can also be found at t.haynes@sunstall.com.
Awesome. I'm Tim Montague. Let's grow bifacial vertical solar.